I'm going to show you how I change out my windshield washer pump. Now, before I forget, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and check out my channel content for more. In my car, when I was trying to engage the windscreen wipers and use the fluid, nothing was coming out. There was no sound from the pump and nothing else. When I tried to engage my washer fluid onto my windscreen, I realized that there was nothing coming out. I didn't hear the motor running and I didn't hear anything, which led me directly to the motor, luckily. Now, other cases you could have something clogging the little rubber hose that goes from the motor to the little spout. There really isn't much to go wrong. It's a pretty simple system, and I mean, there's only a pump and a hose that leads straight out to where it's going to meet the windscreen. Hopefully this kind of aids in understanding and knowing what to do next. Oh, it's a zip tie. That looks to be the problem. That sucks. It's my, it's the plug for my washer fluid reservoir. Oh well. Besides having lost the actual connector itself, it looks like there's a crack in here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna try and pry this off lightly, and I have a bucket to try and catch some of the water that comes off. Oh, I see it leaking already. You don't want to just pull on it, you kind of want to work it off. There we go. Oops, oops. I have 3 containers of this stuff saved. So it's no problem, plus it's easy to replace. So we're gonna lose some fluid anyways. I'm gonna move this hose out of the way. And this we can pry out. It should come right out, and we're gonna lose some fluid too. And we know we are. Give me a second here. We're gonna lose some of this. Alright, it just came free. Oh, there it comes. That's a waste of $3. Wow, that is 20 years. 20 years. I'm surprised that lasted that long. I'm going to pop the old grommet out. 20-year-old grommet. I have a new part, $8 part. I just got it online. Cheap. Let's compare them. We've got identical look, except for the top and that big crack on the side. We have the hole coming off the side, the little outlet, and then we also have a new grommet here. And to see if that matches, new grommet, old grommet, it matches. It's a little smaller. You can see it. To reinstall, it's really easy. Take that new grommet and just slide it right in. Take our old one, throw it aside. Looks like Michigan rust and winter's really just started to get to it. I mean, it's expanded as if there was water in it. Yeah. We're going to take the new washer pump, pop it back in, just like this. Stick the hose right here along the side. Take the connection,
take the connector from Mitsubishi and we're going to put it on the inside. Plug it in, just like that. New washer hose is installed. Let's put some fluid in it. Make sure it doesn't leak. There we go. It doesn't appear to be dripping anywhere yet, so let's run it and see if we got anything. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, we're good. Pour the rest of this. It doesn't appear we have leaks. Pour the rest of this in. Good enough. Reattach the bumper. Reinstall the 8mm. Okay. Now tuck this back in. On this side, using a cable tie. Bring this up, like so. Fasten this in place. There we go. Line this one. There we go. Down. And job's done.
Hopefully this aids in the repair of the windshield washer pump. Now, if you haven't, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, as well as check out my channel content for more, as well as I do have a whole folder of things I've done to my Lancer. Sorry, my dog is on me, but hopefully this helps, and don't forget to stay safe, stay home, and hopefully life will go back to normal as we know it. It's my doggy. It's my doggy.